What? Yeah.
I want a jacket. It's like 90 degrees.
Listen, we're making an airsoft video. We have to.
All right, guys. Today we have a very patriotic unboxing. We have 2 mystery boxes from ACS Airsoft. Let's find out if we're gonna cry, we're gonna be happy and celebrate. What pools are we gonna get? Who knows? I don't. So let's see what we can get, guys.
What?
There's babies in the box. Like someone lit it up for me.
That's crazy.
I guess they branded it. I don't really know.
Let's go open them. Whatever that is.
It's got 7 legs. I think its leg fell off.
Yeah, probably. So, I'm overdressed for the occasion. Josh is not. We have Josh's box.
Yeah, big box. Probably got $1,000 gun in it. So I didn't want to.
And we got my box, which is
It's bulky.
and bulky.
God, it's taped. At least it ain't coming out.
Yeah, but it's squishy.
I think Jim Curry kicked it around a little bit.
Maybe.
Nice
So these are the Independence Day boxes from ACS Airsoft, $300 each. We're gonna see what we got, guys. Hey, Josh, I got this for you.
It's too hot.
And with the Independence Day boxes.
They're independent. Okay, they're Independence Day. I guess I can work for that. I guess we can do that.
Woo! You're so. What? Wait, what day is it?
4th of July. Oh, what?
Okay, guys. So we're gonna open them boxes.
You want to do yours first or mine?
It don't matter. It's hot. I walked outside with my M4 and the reflex was foggy. It's hot and humid, so.
Today's a good day to get sunburnt, too. Or
It was
heat
until the
stroke.
clouds and the sun's gone down. But now it's hot and
Still
humid, so.
muggy.
Yeah.
Still buggy.
Okay,
Me
Josh, you want to do yours first?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not? I'll do it for 5 days.
Yeah, he got his before me, because
I got mine before I even bought yours.
that's true.
It's been sitting there looking at it from the corner like...
It's like the green goblin.
Oh, the mask.
Out, you coward.
Please open me now, please. I'm begging.
Let's have you pull them out one by one.
All right. So we got a bunch of babies. How much
Okay.
is this? 5,000.
For outdoor use. So some good BBs.
That's good.
Okay, okay.
Babies.
What else we got?
Toothpaste. What is that?
What is that,
Oh,
toothpaste?
magazines.
Oh,
Oh, about that.
it's amazing.
What is this?
Okay.
I actually have no idea what that is. It's 3D printed, whatever it is.
Guys, if you know what this is in the comments, let us know. I have no idea what this is either.
Dude, look at this.
Now what's next?
A 6-shooter.
A 6-shooter.
Wait.
Is that?
Oh
my God!
What?
Never mind.
Wait, no.
Never mind.
Oh, it's the Elite Force Hater.
Oh, yes.
Woo!
The Tater.
It's the Hater. Have you never seen one of those?
Mm-mm. I saw it on the page, but I didn't look into it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Another magazine.
What is this?
We're back. We're back.
We have... Oh, Snickers.
Oh, those are just actual Snickers.
How about that? What's in here?
So some actual candy. Well, they're spoiling us.
They are spoiling us. Violent sticker.
That's the
Sweating down.
exclusive sticker from Valiant.
Oh, the patches.
Oh, look at that, Pat. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh.
So, yeah, these are like, oh, let's focus that in. These are exclusive to these boxes. There's 50 boxes. Oh, it's out of focus, but you can see the box, Josh.
You can?
Okay.
You can't see the gun.
So,
I can't.
we'll get the big reveal. But yeah, those are the exclusive patches that come with the 50 boxes, and only in those 50 boxes.
Already?
So, what we got?
Okay, we have right there.
Boom. Oh, look at
I
that.
kind of like it actually. Well, I broke the box.
Oh, no. Here.
All right, ready?
Here. Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Here it is. Well. Oh yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
Look at the bullets.
Oh, it came preloaded with actual ammo, guys. Look at that. Yeah, hold it up. Show it off. Here. So you got your little compact.
I don't understand these. Why? Oh, those just like.
They just look real. It looks cool.
Let's pretend.
Oh, like Airsoft isn't pretend anyway.
Yeah.
This is now the part of the video where me and Josh struggle to figure out how to reload this Airsoft gun.
Oh.
It's like an AK mag. You rock it, kind of.
Yeah, there's also a thing in the way. This is interesting.
This guy's a goon.
Well, it's like being stubborn. Are you serious? Technical difficulties.
He's struggling, guys.
Look, I'm rocking it. See? I rock my AK just like this.
Here. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh my God, it's that easy.
Hold on. Let's show the people back home. You just have to. You gotta rock it more, bro.
I'm gonna use this on myself.
I mean, you should know. You're an AK guy.
I know, but you just. Boop, boop. I mean, it's that hard to do that. This is like. It's tricky almost.
Show them the issue a little bit here.
Okay, that was easy, right?
See? Yeah.
So usually you get an AK and you do this, you like just rock it barely rock it.
Yeah.
For this, you go all the way back here and push up in the corner, and then you rock it. Well, you don't do that. Bring it back. Well, why don't you want to show them?
Oh yeah, I can.
I'll try one more time.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, you had it.
I had it a few times.
Yeah,
oh well,
yeah.
You stuck it right back, way back in the corner.
Yeah, way.
There's a hole back in there.
Hold on, slow it down.
There's a hole way back in there.
So in there, the lip's gonna catch.
Yep, you just. Magic. Simple.
Simple.
We're just baboons. Oh, is that the? Yep. The reload's in the main
Yeah. So
button.
that's you got one. He got one high cap with it, and then he's got 2 mid caps.
What's that mean? Oh, never mind.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah. So a big one and a little one. What are these holding? Like 5 shots?
They probably hold like at least 100.
Oh, okay.
But look what else you can do.
How do you reload this?
Gosh.
Yeah. We like the what's it called?
Yeah.
The salami pirates.
You wanna give her a chest fire?
It had bullets in it too. Or a battery in it too.
Yeah, look
Oh
at
my
that.
gosh!
Oh,
Tease.
he didn't know that. I hope it's charged.
Oh, give me some babies.
Woo! Okay. Here, I'll fill you up real quick, Josh. Huh?
I'll shoot that white thing. Oh, you got this one goes forward. My AK goes backwards. All right, I'll shoot the hay. And here's a semi.
You dry firing. You're out of ammo.
I am.
Oh, we didn't fill it all the way because we got another box to open.
Huh? Hey. Here's the box Ace Ventura kicked around a little bit. It's time to take care of it.
I don't even have to cut it. Look at that.
Tape cut. Wow.
This is.
Man, this is a job and a half. I mean, the box is plastic.
I mean, they taped it. They taped
They
it.
must use just leftover cardboard and put together.
Let's pull this out first because it looks like, well,
What we got?
pistol.
Okay.
Loader.
Big mag. Big speed
We
loader.
have, ooh, some sort of pistol.
Oh,
Well,
nice case too.
we'll open that in a moment. We got cardboard.
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Throw that. We have in
Whoops.
here the same violent patch and sticker.
Oh yes.
Pretty sweet, pretty cool.
What do you put the stickers on? Like a helmet or just anything?
You put it on whatever you want to. Next we got some more.
Is it candy?
It's the candy and the ACS Airsoft patch.
Good stuff.
I'll get it out because you didn't show yours off.
No, I have mine somewhere.
And oh yeah, we got a sticker.
Donuts.
Yeah, and then here's the ACS Airsoft patch.
Wow.
Now, I don't know what that is, but here's the BBs.
No, 5,000
Finally.
babies. The briefcase.
This big heavy thing.
Herschel.
Huh?
Oh, Herstale. Never mind.
Okay, I'll be honest, guys. I have no idea what's in this. I'm not familiar with this at all. Heavy though. Whatever.
Is it? Oh, it's you got something good.
I got
You got
something I want very much.
The spray gun.
Freaking 90 guys. We got the. What's this? A little flash hider for it.
Heck yeah.
Put that to the side.
It's an interesting magazine.
Oh, no. Oh, it's a heavy son of a gun. I can get it because it's a gun.
Yeah. How's that clip? How's the magazine come out?
So the magazine comes out by that right there.
Oh, you're aiming right.
You can. So guys, this one's a lot easier for reload, unless you're actually know how to reload like most people probably do.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. So it just.
That's like a drum mat. Well, it kind of similar to it.
Yeah. So it just slides out.
It's like a cartridge. Yeah.
Now I don't know where the battery and stuff goes in this. I'm sure we can find out. Oh, there it is.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Where's the saw?
Okay, where's the...
I took it out, too. And it's right there.
Magazine in.
Open fire.
Alright. You keep shooting?
Shoot one more time. I think it's shooting too fast.
Shall we go full auto?
You can see them hitting behind it, too.
Huh?
You can see on camera. They're like hitting behind it. It's like a machine gun. Huh?
Yeah.
For whatever reason, it's shooting faster.
Good stuff, guys. I mean, we got some good stuff from the box. Now let's look at the pistol. Unload. So we're gonna unveil this guy. Ooh.
Clean.
Yeah. I guess it's another 1911 gas blowback pistol. A little bit different from the one I've already got. But looks pretty sweet, guys. Very nice. I don't have no gas on me. Look at that. You can change.
Oh, yeah.
Change grip.
What's it feel like? It feels like what it looks like. They have one shot.
Apparently. These are cheap BBs, guys. It's okay, probably.
Cheap?
I don't know. I'm just assuming because that's what they usually do. Is they don't put like the big nice BBs in the.
They should nice babies, ain't they?
Yeah, those are nice BBs.
Oh, you mean the ones that come with the gun itself?
Yeah. So apparently this has got gas in it. So we're gonna be careful and shoot this.
Had one shot?
It has
Are we
no more
serious?
shots in it, apparently.
It had one real shot, just a test shot. Well, you guys saw that air come out of it, so it's alright. You heard it at least.
What are you gonna do? Ain't got no gas right now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You are hit.
Okay. Yeah, let's pull everything we got together onto the table and show it off.
Oh yes. It's time. Oh. Wrong side maybe? What?
So we found out what this is, kind of. So
I think I opened it backwards.
yeah. So you put BBs in here, and as you can see on the inside, it's got the holes, which line up with the hater.
I'm the hater.
No, you're not. That's Kobe. Kobe's the hater.
And the green.
Okay, Josh.
Yes.
What did we get?
Good stuff.
We did. So huge, awesome.
Wait, how many shots is this? 8?
I don't know. I can't count that high.
1, 2, 8. Good enough. So we got some good stuff. I got whatever this is called. Wyland got the SMG.
You got
Fortnite.
you got the the Fortnite. I got the.
And I got the Violent.
Oh, we
patch.
both did.
Me personally, I got the Violent patches and the ACS.
Yeah. So what we got, guys, is we got the Elite Force Hater. Needs no introduction. Everyone knows the Elite Force Hater, except for apparently Josh. And Josh got the PRK 9 RTS. I'm just reading off the box, guys. I'm not familiar with this gun that much. This thing.
Oops.
And everyone knows the P90 needs no introduction. the purple and legendary SMG from Fortnite, you know. And then we also got this. Ooh, this neat 1911. That actually feels really clean in hand. A lot better than my other 1911. Yeah, guys, this was our $600 unboxing from ACS Airsoft with partnership from Mr. Valiant.
Sponsored,
Not sponsored.
My sneakers.
Apparently.
I wish.
But yeah,
But
go,
maybe,
guys, go check out ACS Airsoft if they still got them. Yeah, go check them out, guys. The boxes are $300, and
they have their own field and everything.
Yeah.
Don't they have a store? Do they have a store?
Yeah, they have a store. We've not been there. We are Kentucky proud as well as them, but we are not on the west coast of Kentucky.
No, we're in the other side.
We're on the east coast of Kentucky. Yeah, I'll see you all the time.
If you like this video, drop a like. Please.
Smash that
like button.
Smash that like button.
Hands.
Yeah.
Don't even like it because don't even like it anymore. Just thumbs down, please.
Well, people can't see that no more, so it don't matter for us.
What? Thumbs downs?
Yeah. Who cares about thumbs downs no more? Listen,
no
guys,
feedback.
You do what you want to do.
There's no feedback.
We're just a bunch of idiots that do stuff. More videos on the way, and
check out the other stuff.
Check out the other stuff.
There's some good stuff, good shorts.
We had
good actual fighting.
We have skits, us playing games sometimes, card openings.
What is this?
That's a charging handle. Yeah, HK slap it, even though it's not HK. But yeah, more stuff coming. It's hot. I'm sweating.
Yeah,
Am I still sweating?
I'm sweating.
I'm sweating.
Sweating. I can squish this
happy 4th of July, even though it's the 16th of July.
Tense.
Yeah. Happy 4th of July.
It's too hot.
Okay. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
These are pissed.
That's fine. Yeah, we'd like to do more airsoft soon.
Oh, man,
we got one on the way, so
we do.
Be on the lookout.
Just did it up there.
We just did it
those Vietnamese,
in the forest.
The Vietnamese forest.
Whoa! You see how grown up that is?
Yeah. There's a cardinal. Margaret.
It's chirping at us.
Need some inspiration to go away.
Don't do that,
ammo.
I'm not kidding, guys. It's really hot. My hair is bunching together. Josh, look.
Grease.
That's a lot better.
Are you steaming?
End video.